Hi, welcome to my new office. So first things first, I didn't just move an office, I moved countries. So before I was living in Slovenia when I was born and lived forever, and now I moved to Montenegro, the sunny, beautifully warm country. So you've seen this office in a couple of clips here and there, you know, nothing special. I didn't want to show you too much, but let's have a little circle and let me show you what this office is made from. You probably recognized my monitor that I have hauled here all the way from Slovenia. This is the same Asus Predator monitor that I had before. Mainly, most of my technical stuff is still the same. I still have the same computer down here, and as you can see, for the first time in forever, I actually did some cable management. So this is like a tech YouTuber appropriate, finally, you know? Okay, if we move here a little bit, you can see that if we stay on the same low level, we have down here hiding the NAS disk drive, the NAS disk drive that is holding all of my shots, all of the archives, everything that I don't currently need. It's safe, it's there. And down here you can see the robotic vacuum cleaner that I just did a video on. So if you want to check a review of this little guy out, you can also do that. Just click the link that shows up there. Okay, as you can see, this is still a work in progress, so I don't have many decorations on this shelf yet, because I just want to make it like really mine and really something special. I want every decoration that's there to have a story, you know? For example, these babushkas, they're not here because of the World Cup in Russia, but they are here because when I came to Montenegro, I didn't have this office at the very beginning, and I was just spending a lot of time in the office of my boyfriend where he works, and his boss, when he went to Russia, he brought me back babushkas. And when I rented this office, the first piece of decor that I had were these babushkas. So now they're staying here and they're just becoming a part of my whole office. Another thing you probably noticed by now is this 1 million subscribers YouTube sign up here. If you check the counter on the bottom of your video, you will figure out that I only have 21,000 subscribers. So how can I have this 1 million subscribers sign here? Well, this was actually made by my boyfriend for my birthday as a reminder what I am striving for, and that I should work hard every day, and that he believes in me, that one day I will get the real one. So that was a really cute gift that really makes this office like a true YouTuber's office. Let's make a full circle to the other side and let me show you where the cat is usually residing. Yes, these shelves were made for the cat only. This is not to put anything up there. This is just to make the cat more entertained, because my cat is living here in this office. It's just easier like that. And I made her some entertainment, you know, like a little scratching post, a little high shelf, little shelves in between so she can jump around. I really thought that she's gonna use these two yellow ones to sleep in, but apparently she doesn't like the smell of the paint, therefore she just doesn't use them at all. That's why I put a flower in. And as you can see, the whole office has this theme of urban jungle. I love plants, I love greenery, I love how it makes it just feel alive. So I really wanted this office to be an urban jungle. It is true that this is Podgorica, Montenegro, which means extreme heat, which means that half of my plants usually die when I bring them here. But I will keep on trying and I will keep on insisting until I get the plants that will survive this heat and this weather. Now let's go to the unboxing room. Look who we found here! Somebody was sleeping on my unboxing table. So this right here is a giant unboxing table. I usually set my camera above it, so where I can do all my unboxings and everything. This is a little mess that is already being set up for the next, for some videos that I'm doing. So when you see the IGTV unboxings, this is what I do. This is the table, this is the background. This is also a storage room, and I just use the window, which usually provides me enough natural light to work with. And of course, Misha here is always my lovely setup partner, right? Right, you little lazy cat? So as you can see, this is the giant storage area. I really wanted to have this floor-to-ceiling shelves and everything on top of them. Let's just go over a little things that I mostly use. I use Aputure lights. I love these lights. These are the HR 672Cs, which means I can actually change the color temperature of the light. So for example, what I love about this light is that they work on cable or just on batteries. So you can just turn them on like that when the batteries are full, and that's it. And you can change the color temperature of the light itself. As you can see, this is completely orange, or you can make it completely blue as the light is currently outside. So I can compensate for the light I have, or I can even create some interesting effects in it. Also, you can set the amount of brightness you want. You know, you can make just a little bit of ambience light or completely blast it out. Some cute things that I have up here are the diffusers. So they make your skin a little bit better, even though I would put 2 or 3 diffusers on, if you ask me. And this is how the light looks without the diffuser. For my tripod, I'm currently using the Manfrotto B3. This is not the best tripod for doing YouTube videos, if you ask me, but it is one of the lightest ones. And that was something that was really important to me, because whenever I travel, I am a skinny little girl that can't really carry a lot of stuff, and like every gram that I can shave off of my gear really shows. So I took an extremely light tripod that is small, easy to use, easy to carry, and I use that mainly. And I have there another tripod, but that one is just for vertical videos, because this one can't do vertical. I can't flip it like that. Another light that I use very much is this Aputure M9, which is a cute little light that has just run out of batteries, which is amazing. But yeah, it's a little LED light that you can use to just light up a little bit of your background, or whenever I am traveling and I just need a little bit of a fill light, if I'm in a hotel room or somewhere where there's really no light whatsoever. This is an amazing friend that I can use in situations like that. What we have on the rest of this shelf, it's mainly props, dying flowers that I try to revive and get back to life, and just general things that I need stored, you know? So let's go back and so this was my office tour. I hope you like it. It's an ongoing process. It's gonna keep on developing. It's gonna keep on, I'm gonna keep on adding more stuff, creating more things. So stay tuned, be sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I make new videos, and you can see how this office is changing through time and progressing. And I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye.